This is Kimberly. This is my first time making a YouTube video. I'm going to be attempting a 30-day liquid diet. It's going to consist of drinking water and herbal tea. My current weight is 154. The weight that I want to be is 125. I would not be exercising right now. I know that I don't have much to say right now, but this is only day one. I will be making videos every day till my journey is over, and hopefully after it's over, I will still keep making videos to update y'all on what's going on with me. If y'all can leave me comments, subscribe to me, that would be good. Good, bad, tell me how the video look. I don't care right now. I will be grateful. Thank you.